So for exercise, find the value or values of x for which the given function has a maximum or a minimum value. So for number 3, y equals to 4x raised to the power of negative 1 plus x. So we'll have its first derivative first. So y prime is equals to negative 4 multiplied by x raised to the power of negative 2 plus 1. So we'll have y prime is equals to negative 4 all over x squared plus 1. So after this one we will combine. So y prime is equals to x squared. So just copy negative 4 plus x squared. So then equate to 0. So equate to 0. So negative 4 plus x squared. So x squared is equals to 4. So x is equals to square root of 4 and x equals to positive and negative 2. So at values, critical values, so we will plot it into the number line. So we'll draw a line. So this will serve as, this is negative 2 and this is positive 2. So we have this one. So after this one we will pick a point here. So at x equals, so this erase. So at x equals negative 3, at x is equals to 1, and at x is equals to 3. So y is equals to the first derivative. So the first derivative is this. So this one. So we have negative 4 plus x squared. So at x is equals to negative 3, at x is equals to 1, and at x is equals to 3. So we have negative 4 plus negative 3 squared. So we have negative 4 plus 1 squared and negative 4 plus 3 squared. So we calculate. So negative 4 plus 9. So positive 5. So negative 4 plus 1. So negative 3. So negative 4 plus 9. So positive 5. So we will drop the negative. So it's positive first. So this must be positive here. Positive and positive. And the middle x equals 1 is negative. So we'll graph. So from positive going down to negative. From positive going down to negative. So from negative going up to positive. So what is the maximum? So this serves, this critical point is the maximum, and this critical point here is minimum. So we'll conclude sa, so at x equals negative 2 is maximum, and at x is equals to 2 is minimum. So x equals to 2 is minimum. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So negative 2 max and 2 minimum. So our answer here is correct.